If your Arlo camera is not recording, there are several possible reasons for this issue. Firstly, it may be due to the lack of an active Arlo subscription. Another possibility is that the camera is unable to connect to the internet, or there may be a problem with the camera's mode and rule settings. To resolve these issues, start by checking the subscription status. Open the Arlo Secure app, click on Settings, and then select Subscriptions to verify if the subscription is active. If it is, proceed to Manage Cameras and ensure all cameras are included in the subscription plan by moving them from the No Plan section to the Arlo Secure Plan section. After completing this step, check if the problem persists. A weak internet connection may also be the cause, so it is essential to check the internet connection. If a weak connection is suspected, open the Arlo app, tap on Need Help, and then click on the Start Wi-Fi Scan button. Wait for the scan to complete. Then tap on the recommendations and select the recommended solution to view more information. Follow the provided steps to fix the issue. Additionally, the camera's mode and rule settings may need to be adjusted. Open the Arlo Secure app, select the mode option, choose Armed, and click on the pencil icon next to Rules. Check the box next to Record Video and then click Done. To test the new settings, move in front of the camera. By following these steps, the issue with the Arlo camera not recording should be resolved.